Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, select Apps and Notifications. Then click on Default Apps. And now select one of the available options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, to apply your new downloaded one, just click on it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!